Question 3, solve for the variable x in the equation shown below. Which of the following is true? So I have x over 4 equals x over 9 plus, I'm going to call this 5 over 1. That way, all three terms that appear in this equation are fractions. And then I'm going to get a common denominator. I want them all to have the same denominator. So I am going to multiply every fraction by a fancy form of 1 to make all the denominators 36. Okay, so now I'm going to have 9x over 36 equals 4x over 36 plus 180 over 36. Quick way to do 5 times 36 in your head. 36 times 10 is 360, but it's only half of that because 5 is half of 10. So you could do 360 and then half of it is 180. Okay, so now all my denominators are 36. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 36 because that will have the effect of getting rid of all my denominators. So 36's cancel and I have 9x equals 4x plus 180. So 5x equals 180. Divide both sides by 5. Okay, so we get x equals, well, 180 divided by 10 would be 18, but 5 is going in, it would go in twice as many times, so 36. Okay, so there's only one solution. Eliminate the two solution options. And it is 36, which is right in this list. So the answer is A.